What is happening, everyone? Welcome back. We got another hard reset for you. Today we are doing the Cricket Magic 5G. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's gonna get deleted. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets coming up and some teardowns. So if you want to see anything special, just drop a comment. Otherwise, let's get into this. So the first thing we want to do is make sure the phone's off, and in this case it is. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power. And what we want to do is you want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start off by holding volume up, then I'm going to hold the power button. And that gets us right into our bootloader options, and we want to go to recovery. So it says volume up to select, volume down is okay. So we'll hit volume up until it gets to the recovery arrow. Then we hit volume down. And then it does take a second to load to the no command screen. But once we're here, what we want to do to get past this into the actual recovery is hold power and tap volume up, and then let go of both buttons relatively quickly. So I'm going to hold power, tap volume up, let go of both. Usually if you hold power too long, you'll accidentally select the reboot system and you got to start all over again, so you don't want to do that. I want to use the volume buttons to navigate, and we want to get down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button to confirm again. So it's deleting, it's done. And we can hit reboot system now, or power, in this case, reboot system now. Sometimes it gives you an option to power off, so in this case, we'll hit reboot system now. The phone will finish loading and it will load to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone back to the home screen like it was when you got it new. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Cricket Magic 5G. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you can like, comment, share, all that wonderful stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.